Professor, please can we begin our journey? Because from here to Ghana is very far, so we have to start our journey now. Okay, let's go, Mr. Fisherman. Oh, sorry, I should have used Sailor. Mr. Sailor, let's go, please. We can begin our journey to Ghana. Mr. Fisherman, please can I? Oh, sorry. I should have called you sailors, or it is the same. Sailor or fisherman, the value is the same. So, Mr. Sailor, can I ask you a question? Oh, Mr. Professor, I have no problem with that. You can call me fisherman or sailor. I think to me it is the same. Please, what is the question that you said you want to ask me? Please, Mr. Fisherman, don't get annoyed with this question. So, do you know biology, ecology, zoology, geography, physiology? No, Professor. Please, I have no idea of these questions that you are asking me. Ah, what the hell do you know on earth, Mr. Fisherman? You will die of illiteracy. You've got to learn something into your that big head.
Please put on your life jackets. The boat is about to sink in 10 minutes' time, due to technical fault.
My God, save us! The boat is sinking. What is happening? It is shaking. Mr. Professor. Yes, Honorable. Professor, please, my name is Fisherman. Please, I want to ask you, do you know swimmingology and escapology from sharkology? No, my lord, I have no idea of what you are asking me. Well, Mr. Professor, sharkology and crocodileology will eat your astrology, headology, and you will dialogy because of your morphology. Thank you for watching Sarfo Baffoe cartoon movie. The story should motivate us or remind us that each and everyone is important. We need each and everyone to survive. Your own knowledge may fail you when you need it most. You need somebody's knowledge to survive. Somebody needs your knowledge to survive. So never look down upon somebody. Thank you once again. Please subscribe to my channel, Sarfo Baffoe. I promise to give you more, the best of my best. Thank you. Bye. Love from Ghana.